Step into the 2003 Toyota Tacoma. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: AM/FM stereo, tow hooks, ABS, power steering, power outlet, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes, split bench seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.